Hey, good morning, folks. Real short video here. Had working with a client recently, asked me if they could find a way to alphabetize all the tabs. They had a sheet, real complex sheet, lots of tabs at the bottom. So I just created a quick little solution for that. In this case, I just created a handful of tabs. As you can see, they're now alphabetized A, B, T, Z. They weren't alphabetized when we started, but let's take a look. This is a script that lets me do this. Let's take a look at what the script is. It has a very short on open script. And in this case, what we wanted to be able to do is sort the tabs alphabetically, ascending or descending. So we've created an on open menu that lets us on open. It adds this menu to the sheet. So let's take a look. It has the sheet tools here. We can sort the sheets A to Z, or we can sort the sheets Z to A. And the script basically is set up to do that. It defines the ascending and descending functions. So let's take a look at what this would look like in our app script. So this is the sheet, and we have these tabs, A, B, T, Z, and here's our script. And you can see that this on open script is already loaded. Let's see what happens if we let's come here and put a new tab. I'll add a new tab, and I'll just call this tab V. And well, no, let's I didn't want it to be called V. I'm going to call this M. Okay, so it's out of order. So if I go to my sheet tools, which by the way gets created by my on open menu, here's my sheet tools. Let's sort the sheets A to Z. Script runs and it resorts that A, B, M, T, Z. Okay. Now let's say I want it sorted Z to A. There we go. We have Z, T, M, B, A. The script finishes and lets me know that it's sorted. So just a simple short script right here that will let you sort your sheets or your tabs in your Google Sheet with a very simple menu item that you could click.